Turn your passion into profit. 3 proven ways. Hi, I'm Terry, and welcome to my channel. Join me as I tackle the challenge of turning my passion into a profitable home business while overcoming all the obstacles along the way. Have you ever felt that fire in your belly? That undeniable urge to share your gifts with the world? That's your passion talking, babe. And guess what? You absolutely can create a life you love and make a good living doing it. In today's economy, it's no secret that more people are exploring home businesses as a way to earn a living. With the rise of the gig economy and the ability to reach a global audience with just a few clicks, the opportunities are endless. That's the beauty of the online world, right? The possibilities are limitless. But let's be real, navigating the world of online business can feel overwhelming, especially when you're just starting out. Trust me, I've been there. But what if you could go a step further? What if you could turn your passion into profit? Today, I'm going to break down 3 proven ways to do just that, along with practical tips to overcome common challenges. We're talking actionable steps you can take right now to monetize your unique skills and talents. So grab your notebook, get comfy, and let's dive in. This is one of my favorite ways to dip your toes into the entrepreneurial waters without breaking the bank. Think about it. What are you already amazing at? What do your friends always ask for your help with? Maybe you're a whiz at creating stunning graphics, a master of organization, or have a knack for whipping up delicious, healthy meals. All of these skills can be transformed into profitable digital products or services. Let's say you're passionate about fitness. You could create a digital workout guide packed with your signature routines and motivational tips, or offer one-on-one virtual training sessions tailored to each client's needs. The beauty of this is that you're not limited by location. You can work with people all over the world. Another great option is to tap into the ever-growing world of online courses. Are you a pro at photography? Create a course teaching beginners how to capture stunning shots. Love to write? Share your knowledge with an online course on crafting compelling copy. Platforms like Thinkific, Teachable, and Podia make it easier than ever to package your knowledge into bite-sized, engaging lessons. And hey, don't forget about the power of freelancing. Websites like Upwork and Fiverr are teeming with businesses looking for talented individuals just like you. Whether you're a virtual assistant, web designer, or social media manager, there's a freelance gig out there waiting for you. The key here is to start small and focus on delivering exceptional value to your clients or customers. Remember, word of mouth is powerful. When you over-deliver and exceed expectations, your happy customers become your biggest advocates. Use platforms like Etsy for selling printables or Skillshare to launch a course. These platforms offer built-in audiences and can help you get your foot in the door without having to build a website from scratch. All right, let's talk about the incredible power of social media. It's no secret that platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook have become essential tools for anyone looking to turn their passion into profit. Think of social media as your free 24/7 storefront where you can connect with potential customers and clients all over the world. The key here is to create high-quality, engaging content that provides genuine value to your audience. Forget about being salesy. Instead, focus on building relationships and establishing yourself as an expert in your niche. Share your knowledge, tell your story, and let your personality shine through. Let's say you're passionate about sustainable living. You could create beautiful, informative posts about reducing waste, share delicious plant-based recipes, or offer tips on eco-friendly home decor. The possibilities are endless. Remember Sarah, our baking enthusiast from earlier? She leveraged the power of Instagram to turn her passion for cake decorating into a thriving business. By sharing stunning photos of her creations, engaging with her followers, and offering helpful tips and tutorials, she built a loyal community of baking enthusiasts who couldn't wait to get their hands on her delicious cakes. Don't be afraid to get creative and experiment with different content formats. Videos, reels, stories, live sessions. There are so many ways to connect with your audience and keep them coming back for more. Tip: focus on 1 or 2 platforms to start and be consistent with your posting schedule. Use scheduling tools like Later or Hootsuite to plan your content in advance and free up your time to focus on other aspects of your business. Chapter 3. Collaborate and network within your niche. Here's the thing. Building a successful business doesn't mean you have to do it all alone. In fact, some of the most rewarding and profitable opportunities come from collaborating with others. Remember, Teamwork makes the dream work. Think about it. There are countless other passionate individuals out there who share your interests and values. By connecting with them, you can tap into new audiences, learn from their experiences, and create something truly special together. Let's say you're a talented photographer specializing in family portraits. Reach out to local event planners, children's clothing boutiques, or even other photographers in your area to explore potential collaborations. You could offer package deals for events, create joint marketing campaigns, or even host workshops together. Remember, networking isn't just about what you can get. It's about building genuine relationships and supporting each other's growth. Attend industry events, join Facebook groups, and participate in online forums related to your niche. Share your knowledge freely, offer support to others, and don't be afraid to reach out to people you admire. Tip: build genuine relationships. Networking isn't just about self-promotion. Be authentic, be helpful, and focus on building connections based on mutual respect and shared interests. Outrow ready, set, launch. Turning your passion into profit isn't just about earning money, it's about creating a life you love. And I want to help you get started right away. Download your free summary with all the key points from this video in the description below. It's a quick reference to keep you on track. Ready to dive deeper? Grab my step-by-step cheat sheet guide for only $2.99. It's packed with actionable tips to help you apply these strategies and start your journey today. This new journey is about more than making money. It is about sharing your gifts with the world and making a real impact. So, start small, stay consistent, and keep learning. Remember, every successful entrepreneur started somewhere. Don't be afraid to experiment, to make mistakes, and to learn from every experience. Which of these strategies resonated with you the most? Or do you have a passion project you're already working on? Let me know in the comments. I'm so excited to hear about your dreams and cheer you on every step of the way. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips on building a business you love. See you in the next video.